Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. No, we're not working on the Firebird today. He's right there, Firebird Formula 4-speed. Slowly turning into a Trans Am wannabe with the hood shaker hood, the Formula front end. It's got a nice little look to it. Yeah, I gotta clean it off, I know that. But the point I wanted to start off with this is older vehicles, specifically this one in the Jeep outside. This is a 79, my Jeep is an 87. And if I could find the bloody, there it is. Boom! You now have access to the engine. I don't personally like that. That's what this is about, because this will wrap underneath here. It'll wrap over there, and you see the lock I have down there? It wraps right there. So if anybody wanted to get in here, I would be wrapped around there. I'm not even sure what the key is for that. Oh, that's not good. Just on it. Oh. Nope, so I might just have a random lock. That's not good. Anyways, this goes back to my concussion. I can't remember anything. Anyways, that all being said, I like to keep my stuff locked up. So one of the things I did, if you want to come over here, that's another thing that we have going on. You'll see that in the previous video, and on the weekend I'll be doing that. That's for the control panel. This is the blue version. There's a funnier version that I wanted to get. Insert picture here. Sadly, I could not find this style rocker switch panel. Also, the one switch I did like was, and it says, this turns something on. That was hilarious to me. The other ones I've not really cared about, but I put them in there anyways, and none of them are available any longer. And, but they no longer sell it anymore, which is sad. I should have bought it when I saw it. So this is for the ignition stuff and the accelerate. I mean, that's not even a word. Acceleration stuff. I'm not even sure where I was going with that. Anyways, this will be where the fan controller is for the override. So when you're off-roading and stuff, you just after it's started up and everything, you just kind of arm the fan if you want it to be on. Boom. Probably some other things. That's for another project. That's the fan harness. These things are pretty cool. This is for a dually setup, so you see the two fuses. This one's got one relay, so that's going to be a high-powered relay. Then you have your temperature sensor, and this one is a drill and tap deal. In the picture, it showed a different one, which you could feed into the sleeve for the intake, and that way, if it ever does break off, it would stay in the radiator, and that way you wouldn't be on the upper part of the rad. But we digress. Sorry, I get distracted so easily. There's instructions in there too. I'm surprised about that. Anyways, these are the hood pins. Hood pins. That's a different thing altogether. These are the hood locks. These would be the locks themselves. I've never done this myself, but it'd probably be something simple. Hopefully it's not easy to break into. Anyways, this is what we're going to be installing today on the Jeep. So let's get to it. This is the Frankenstein Jeep. We're still working on the hood shroud. I'll get to that when I have some time to do some metalworking stuff. Keep it under a cover now these days. Oh, what's it stuck on? Oh, that's. And that'll give us access to the Jeep. Now, this is a YJ hood. This is a TJ grill, and this actually gave me some air to flow into the engine. As you know, we're going to have hood scoops and stuff. They're not there right now. I still got to cut that stuff out. I have another hood that I'm going to use for this, so I'll probably quickly prime this and save it, and then put it somewhere for like a rat rod kind of style. This is the old YJ grill. Somebody was interested in it online, and then they ended up being like 300 kilometers away, and I'm like, yeah, that's not going to work. Anyways, the big deal to this too, because I was going to put the, ooh, there's some rust in there. There we go. As you can see, everything moves. Nothing's really truly bolted down. So the problem I had with this is if I, no, didn't want to do it. Oh, there it is. It's so touchy. It doesn't actually lock in there. And these are TJ fenders, these are TJ hood latches, and this is a YJ hood, so they're not really too compatible. So if I just kind of like, if the right amount of vibration happened, that would easily pop off. I didn't like that. Over this side here, I actually broke the bolts when I was tightening them. So I'm like, okay, we will take that as a sign. And I looked online for a few months until I found these guys. Now they weren't hard to find. I just didn't want to spend the money. It was like $100 bucks. I didn't want to spend that much money. But to secure my hood, and not have it fly up on me because I don't have anything inside the hood. So I pull this up again. You see here, a normal thing would have a latch mechanism. We don't have that. Typically, if we take this off, there we go. Again, I haven't really bolted anything down. You have a, where is it? Oh, this one doesn't have that. This one's over here. Yep, that's the YJ. So you have that, and then you be able to pop the hood. So you undo this, pop this, the YJ hood would pop up. Now I am going to save this because it's a YJ hood. I'm going to mount this to the TJ hood, so I still have a hood thing instead of what I have now, which is is I going to say, yeah, which is a piece of wood. So had to be this guy right here. Yeah. So that I want to replace with an actual hood thing on here, and that'll be easy enough to do. So we're gonna get started, and I still have to do the hood. These things, mount this up, mount that up, and keep things firm. A lot of things are not, well, there's not bolted together. Let's get going. We're going to start assembling this stuff. It's probably should be pretty easy. These are supposed to be lockable. You will find out exactly how they lock. I'll demonstrate that. And let me grab some tools. We are in time lapse, and I grabbed the tools as you can see. So I'm just going to town, getting this done. And again, I searched for a YJ hood lock, could not find it. I found these. The ad said YJ. Obviously, it's wrong. These are for a TJ, so I went with that anyways, because I just want these done. And they look pretty decent. It's a little bit expensive, I will admit, but all in all, it's really good. Now this is in time lapse. The second one I'm going to do on the other side, the right side, I'm going to do in actual motion. I'm just going to put I'm going to increase the speed a little bit, and it is going to rain soon, so that's going to happen. Okay, now it's installed. Looks pretty snazzy. That's me pulling it back and forth. Looks good. I like it. This I can tighten up if I want to. I just kept it loose for now because everything has to move. Now I'm going to attempt to loosen. I've practiced a few times, so let's see if I can get this right. If I bring this here, it stays in that position. Oh. There we go. So that's in the unlock. Yeah. Okay. And then this, turn this a little bit. And that's in the lock position. Okay, easy as that. Now, it does say in the instructions that you have to check it every so often on long drives or whatever. I guess once everything tightens up and stays in place, it'll be better, because this would come loose. But overall, it's a pretty daggone secure option. I like it. Hardcore. Plus, it adds a little bit of bling to a rat rod blingy truck. Anyways, on to the next side, and I'll just have this one in speed record. So I went and grabbed the big power tools because I was not having it. The rain was coming. I wanted this cut and done. It is starting to rain, guys. That sucks. Alright, to be continued. You know me, guys. I can't stop. Once I start something, don't like to anyways. I'll be right back. Oh, that was easy. Wow. So my idea did work. Let that cool off. Actually, whoa, ow, ow, ow. Oh. Okay, put it in the box. It's garbage now. All right, good, good, good. Alrighty.
So now it's the long nut. We can get this done. I have to still drill the holes for the hood.
Good news is it's paused for a second for the rain. Bad news is, well, it's raining.
So check my measurements, not exact. It's all adjustable too. This was supposed to be for the wide bay. It's obviously not. You can hear the rain. the phone. Good, good, good. Okay, give me 10 minutes, guys. So, there we go. And trying to be a professional. It's not working out, not finding it. Okay, so that's on. Good, good, good. Okay, let's lift the hood. That way we can tighten this thing up. Water is still working on the phone. Good, good, good. Okay, let's slow down for a second. Okay, there we go.
Okay, everything is wet. Hey, look, gorgeous. Yes, I put the grill back on, you know, for camera appeal. It is beautiful. And now we have our hood locked, so that's awesome. I will. Oh, it's all caught in the hood. Oh, it's locked. That's funny. You know what? I'll see what I can do about just covering this up as best as possible. Yep, she's good. Yeah, she's stuck on the hood right over here. See, it's all bunched up? But we're not going to unlock it because that's inside. Alrighty. Thanks for watching, guys. Please, what? Please like, share, and subscribe, and share whatever you want. Comments down below. I'm getting wet. I'm getting soaked. This is awesome. What a blast. Look at the, oh, it's not windy anymore. It was blowing like crazy a second ago. You see the, oh, there it goes. See the trees going? That is nuts. So I got some more cleaning. I'm gonna pack up and stuff and get the heck on out of here. Y'all be safe. If you're doing anything questionable, name it after me, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace! Before I go, let's just do this little she gorgeous. My mom actually said that my truck's getting prettier. I'm just like, yeah. So I got the new fenders for it. I gotta do that this year. Not gonna worry about fog lights. I have the new headlights. They're on the passenger side, and a whole pile of other parts that have just been sitting in the truck forever. I want to do the exhaust soon. I want to do steering dampener from Skyjacker. I was hoping it would have the red, but I came up blind. Like, come on. Anyways, it's all good. So this might happen this weekend. I am hoping. What else? Oh yeah, we want to cut into this and take a look at that. This is for the garage here to keep the door shut, so puppies don't run away when the door is just slightly open. I found this in the flyer for 400 bucks. It's obviously brand new, and we're gonna open it up, take a look at it. I found these. I thought I lost them. I thought somebody stole them. They were underneath my truck. I have no idea why they were there. We could probably use these to cut this. Oof, that tells you how awesome this tool is by it working, even though it's all rusty. Probably not very happy. All right, what way does this thing open? Okay, so it's all wet, so that'll help. Ooh, this one comes with a manual. Okay, we've got the grounding wire, I assume. Hardware, even better. So that there, we've got the hook. This is the handheld remote for in and out. Nice, even says it right there. That's cool. We won't be needing that. Oh, that's nice. And of course, it's got the power wire right there. Wow. So these ones require, to my knowledge, because the boxes on the outside, they require a cover because they're more open to the elements as opposed to this style. This is a tinier one. This was meant for being on a trailer, just kind of light duty work. Yeah, so it didn't fall on my foot, don't worry. So this one is all closed in, so this could be open to the elements, whereas this one, well, it has to be covered. So I need to get a cover for that eventually. This one, well, how big is this one? I didn't pay a lot of money for this one. This was for the trailer for the dead one. So that's cute. Look at that little tiny thing. Again, it's got a remote stuff, connectors. That's cool. Yeah, nice. What the heck? What's this? Oh, okay, that's the connectors and stuff. Oh, yeah, okay, I got it. This one I want to do a hitch mount style, so I could have it on the front of the truck, on the back of the truck, and I'm talking about the big red over there. And then again, I can put it on the trailer or have it in the garage. This one was supposed to move around quite a bit. And again, that's the difference between this style and that style. So this one needs a cover, this one does not. According to the people I spoke to, this is a RP5000, so this is probably the bigger model. Okay. I do not know the capacity of this though. Obviously it's not very big. There it is, 5,000 pounds. Pulling capacity, 5,000 pounds. Okay, so it's twice that. Nice. I was always told to put a 10,000 pound on the Jeep. That's what's going on the Jeep. This one is the one that's going to be running around with me. And that's it. I can't think of anything else. All right.